A place to be, to groom your words, a place that is secured for the rest of mine. No other place but Burial Schools is the best.
Hello, great learners of grade 1. How are you doing? I hope you are enjoying yourself and you are safe. Alright, you're welcome to our class for today on mathematics. Before we go into today's topic, let's take a quick review of what we did last week. Alright, last week our topic was on weight. Alright, it was on weight where we learned the meaning of weight. Alright, we said that the weight of an object tells us how heavy or how light that object is. And we also discussed that objects with more weight are heavy objects, while objects with less weight are light objects. Also, we looked at instruments used for measuring weight or the weight of an object, which we discussed two. Number one being a weighing scale, and number two a simple balance. Alright, today we will continue from where we stopped last week, still on weight. But today we'll be looking at the units of weight. Units of weight, the standard unit of measuring weight. Please, I want you to know the difference between the instrument used for measuring weight and the unit of weight. Alright, the standard unit of weight. We are done with the instrument, so we are going to look at the units of weight. Alright, the units of weight are: number one, we have milligrams, and then number two, centigrams, cg. Alright, number three, we have decigrams, dg. We have grams, g. And number five, we have kilograms, kg. Alright, I want you to notice that milligrams is the least unit of weight, while kilograms is the biggest unit or greater unit of weight. Alright? So, and one thing I want you to note is that 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams. 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams. And also I want you to notice that if 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams, that means 2 kilograms will be equals to what? 2,000 grams. And 3 kilograms will be equals to what? 3,000 grams. And 4 kilograms will be equals to what? 4,000 grams. Alright, without waste of time, we are going to look at the addition on. Alright, next we are going to look at addition on weight. Addition on weight. Also, I want you to note the symbol. We're going to be using two units from the list we have here under units of weight. We're going to make use of grams and kilograms in our addition. Alright? Alright, under addition on weight, we are going to look at a few examples here. We have here example 1. But before we go into the examples, please, I want to bring to your knowledge that addition on weight is the same as normal addition, you all know. Alright? There's no difference. The only difference between addition on weight and the normal addition of numbers is the symbols you are seeing here, where G here stands for grams and kg stands for what? Kilograms. Alright, that's the only difference. If not, addition on weight is the same as normal additions of numbers. Alright, we are going to look at example 1. We have here 34 grams plus 12 grams. 34 grams plus 12 grams. This is vertical method of addition, and I believe you all know that we are to start our addition from the unit column, alright? So we're going to start from here. What do we have here? 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. So using your rough work, count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and count 2. 1, 2, and then you add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 is what? 6. Alright, now the next one we have 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. And still using your rough work, count 3 and count 1. We have 1, 2, 3, and then 1. Then you add them. Adding them, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So 34 grams plus 12 grams gives us what? 46 grams. Next, we are going to look at example 2. And in example 2, we have 721 kilograms plus 253 kilograms. Starting with the unit column, we have the 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. Using your rough work, count 1 and count 3. 1, 2, 3. And then add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 3 is what? 4. Alright, we move to the next column, which is the unit column. We have the 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. Using our rough work, we're going to count how many? 2. And then count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to count them together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5 is what? 7. Alright? Now we move to the next column, which is the hundredths column. We have the 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. Using our rough work, we have here, we're going to count 7 and count 2. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we count what? 2. 1, 2. Then adding them, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7 plus 2 is what? 9. Alright? 721 kilograms. 721 kilograms plus 253 kilograms gives us what? 974 kilograms. Please, your answers must be written in the unit given. Alright? Okay, next we are going to look at example 3. And example 3, we have here 531 grams. 531 grams plus 102 grams. Alright, starting from our unit column, we have the 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. So using our rough work, you count 1 and then you count 2. 1, 2. And then we count them together. 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 is what? 3. And then moving to the next column, we have the 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0. Any number plus 0 is that number. So 3 plus 0 is what? 3. And then the next column, which is the unit column, we have the 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. So using our rough work, we are going to count 5 and count 1. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1. Then adding them, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 plus 1 is what? 6. Please ensure you write the numbers accordingly. Let your work be well arranged. Alright, so now we have 633 grams as our answer. That is 531 grams plus 102 grams, giving us what? 633 grams. Alright, next we are going to look at our last example here. We have example 4. 840 grams. 840 grams plus 152 grams. Alright, starting from or with our unit column, we have there 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2. Any number plus 0 is that number. Alright, so 0 plus 2 is what? 2. Alright. Next we have 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. Using our rub web, count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 5 is what? 9. Moving to the next column, which is 100 columns. We have 100 column. We have the 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. Using our rub work, we're going to count 8 and count 1. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And then let's add them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 8 plus 1 is what? 9. Alright. 840 grams plus 152 grams gives us what? 992 grams. Alright. At this point, we are going to call it a day. I guess you've learned something from what we have done from the lesson of today. And before I go, I'm going to give you just few assignments. Alright, here are the few questions I have for your assignments. Number 1, we have here 1000 grams is equals to dash kilograms. You have to complete this. 1000 grams is equals to how many kilograms? Write for me there. And number 2, add 324 grams plus 513 grams. And then number 3, add 543 kilograms plus 210 kilograms. Alright children, with this we come to the end of our class for today. Until our next class, I remain Mr. Godwin, your mathematics teacher.